Hi everyone, I'm Sandeep. In this video, let's try to understand how to use the practice portal. Okay, so the things that we are going to cover are how to log in to the practice portal, how to practice the questions from each task, and how to practice module-wise tests, and how to access the mock tests. Lastly, how to download the templates and guides. These are the things we are going to cover in this video. So now, let's start with login. When you enroll, you will be supplied with the credentials. The credentials are here. So you will get these credentials on WhatsApp as well as over a mail. Now, please open Google Chrome, in which in the URL bar TTPS. So this is what you enter. You will get onto this page, Super Scores page, which is our portal page. Click Student. After clicking Student, it will ask you for login ID and password. You are supplied with login ID and password already. Just copy that and paste the login ID, copy paste the password also. Now click login. Okay, once you log in, you get to see everything on the dashboard. Now let's start off with how to practice each task. Let's say guys, today in the class, I taught you reading fill in the blanks. Okay, and you want to practice that. What you have to do is you have to click the question wise practice because you are going to practice a question or question type. Click it. By default, you will land upon read aloud. There is a button in the orange color. You click that button and it will display the tasks from each section: speaking section, writing section, reading section, and listening section. So in reading, I want to practice fill in the blanks reading. So you can click it. You will land upon reading fill in the blanks. Let's say I want to practice summarize spoken text from listening. So listening, summarize spoken text. This is how you get onto the tasks. Okay, from here you click the play button and you start practicing. Okay, there are some features like repeat ratio, the score contribution, the skills involved, and the enabling skills involved. These are all covered in the classes except the repeat ratio. All right, so this is how you practice your task-wise questions. All right. So now once you are comfortable with all the tasks in one section,
I have been writing nonfiction for years,
speaking,
actually,
and you're comfortable with all the tasks like reading, read aloud, repeat sentence, describe image, read a lecture, answer short questions. It's time to get on to section-wise practice. This is nothing but module-wise practice. Click the section-wise practice. This should be done when you are comfortable with all the tasks from one module. Okay, so then what you can do is you can start a speaking test, you can start writing test, you can start reading test, also you can start listening test. You have 5 module wise tests sitting here. Okay, you can access them and you can practice. Okay, once you are comfortable with tasks, sections, entire tests, all the modules, all the tasks, okay, then it's time to take the mock tests. So you have 10 mock tests, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So you can start with any mock test. The mock tests help you in analyzing where do you stand as far as the examination target score is concerned. Okay, you can start your test. Before you start your mock test, make sure that you're taking this on a laptop or a computer and you have the microphone and headphone set properly set up. All right. Okay, so this is how you take the mock test. Now let's discuss how to access the material. Material in terms of the templates, okay, and the question banks. You have everything here. Let's say you want to get the describe image templates. Click it. It opens into a document. So this is the template for bar chart. This is the template for pie chart. Similarly, for the other task like read a lecture, you have template. Okay, and you have some interesting books or improvement books for grammar, for vocabulary improvement. If you have any interest, you can even download them and work on improving your skills. Okay, so this is how you use the portal. And lastly, there is an interesting section called collocations list. So as part of the reading classes, as part of the writing classes, I always recommend my students to work on the collocations. If you're working on the collocations using a PDF book, okay, you will have to search for the words meanings. you may have to sometimes search for the word's pronunciation. But here on our portal, every word has a hyperlink. Let's say I want to understand the meaning of a particular word. Let's see. I want to understand the meaning of artificial. Let's click the word.
Artificial.
It pronounces the word, and then you will also have the meaning here, examples here. So you can refer to the meanings, pronunciation immediately with a click, which is not possible when you're practicing from a PDF book. And also, here is some interesting listening vocabulary. These are the common words that are there in the listening modules. If you can listen and write these words, they will improve your listening skills. So this is about how to use the portal. When you're done with using the portal, you have to just click log out and you will be logged out. Thank you.